Hi guys, welcome to Cocinando con los Dewittes. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious pickled cabbage or curtido. It's so delicious and it's perfect to go especially with fish tacos, but with any tacos or any tostadas or any tortas, pupusas. It's so delicious. Okay. These are the ingredients that we're gonna need to make our pickled cabbage or curtido. We're gonna need cabbage, just a green cabbage, some red cabbage, and a carrot, pepper, oregano, salt, and some vinegar. Okay, the first step is gonna be to start chopping the cabbage. So we're just gonna slice it as thin as possible. Okay, I have the cabbage ready, the purple cabbage and the green cabbage sliced already. Now I'm gonna start shredding the carrot, and I'm just gonna do it with a peeler, just like this. And I'm gonna add it to the cabbage. Okay, I'm done with the carrot and I just put it here with the cabbage. And now we're gonna add the spices to this. Okay, we're gonna start adding the spices. Oregano. I'm kind of grinding it with my finger as I go, with my fingers. And pepper. Just like a couple pinches, or it's up to you. Salt. As much as you want, and the 1 spoon of vinegar, white vinegar. I forgot to tell you, we're gonna add like half a cup of water, depending how much you have. Okay, I'm just gonna start mixing everything. Just use anything that you think is gonna help you mix it faster. Tongs or a fork, whatever works for you. We're just gonna make sure that everything is mixed together. Okay, after we're done mixing everything as much as you can, we're just gonna cover it with a lid or with foil, with ceramic, whatever you have. And we're gonna leave it in the fridge for like 20 minutes just so all the flavors start coming out and it cools down. It's tastier if you leave it overnight too, but I just like to put it in the fridge for like an hour. It's up to you. And our delicious curtido pickled cabbage is ready. You can use it for so many things, just for tacos, for pupusas, for fish tacos. It's so delicious and it tastes good with everything. You can put it on your tostadas too. And I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Dewittes.